this video, I want to talk about getting the most out of your headband investment. So this really applies to the SRX-2 and the SRX-3 headbands. They're both built on the same design and have the same replaceable parts. So basically, if you have a picker or a worker who has left your company, and you're getting a new hire in and you want to reuse that headband instead of buying a new headband, there's a couple things, a couple tips for you in getting them going. So the first thing you want to do is inspect the headband. So first thing I'd like to do is take off the ear pad, and you can take off the foam from the ear pad. And you're looking for any mechanical defects like broken prongs or anything. Make sure everything rotates. Pull out both bands and kind of give it a look. Make sure there's no hard bends or anything. If you do see a bend in the headset, what I recommend is you close everything, and then if it's too far, you can bend it together, and it will maintain that shape. This is a piece of metal that runs through, so it's pretty safe to get that bent either in or out. The next thing you want to do is look at the foam, see if there's any issues. Like this one's pretty worn. The other piece is this little T-bar pad. Here's an example of one that's pretty worn here. So what you don't want is cracks. You don't want a bunch of cracks and a bunch of wear. So what I'm going to do here is take off this old pad. So it's really just a matter of working your finger in there to get under the lowest level of adhesive, and then once you get that off, you'll see that it's a nice clean surface. So I'm going to replace this one. This one has a T-bar pad that's not looking so bad. I'm going to leave that one on. This one, however, this is not looking so hot. So same kind of process. You really have to kind of work your fingernail in there to get to that lowest level of adhesive, and you're going to want to peel that off. So you can see here that it's even another little layer. So you're going to peel. You have that peeled off. You discard that. And again, you're going to check all the different components. Make sure everything is intact. So some of your pads and foam will be in good shape. You can leave that as it is. And at this point, once you have the damaged pieces removed, this is all dishwasher safe, so you can put it on the top rack. Just do it at the lowest time setting, and not a lot of harsh chemicals or anything like that. You can also hand wash it with like a Dawn or some other type of dish detergent. You can keep these kind of separate. Wash them in the silverware holder, and then you can put these through to clean them out. And then once you're done there, next thing is you can replace a lot of the different pieces. So this is the comfort pads. So I'll take one of these out. And you're going to peel off the backing. And apply this new pad to your headset. So you're going to push it in there to get it seated. So that one's back in. And then to replace this piece, you got the T-bar pads. So same idea here. Peel off the backing. line it up to the edge and press that down. And then finally, you have your ear pads, the foam ear pads. You can wash these as well, though you may want to consider just replacing these for each new worker, just from a hygiene perspective. And to put these back on, so you take the mounting disc, kind of pull it around, go around in a circle. And then you line up the holes, and you do have to kind of give it an extra final turn there. You'll hear it click, and now this is now seated well. Okay, and so at this point, having replaced the foam, you give it a nice cleaning. Go around it, take any stickers off. So if you're using stickers for a worker's initials, you just kind of get it all back up and ready to go. And now this headset can be assigned to a new worker.